Hello, my name is Jennifer Freibush and I'm your child's AP Calculus AB teacher this school year. I apologize first for not being there. My two children have their back to school night this evening, and so my husband and I both have to divide and conquer their schedules so we can meet their teachers as well. I know how important back to school night is. It's nice to know the policies. It's nice to have a feel for the teacher and a face and a name. So I would like you guys, if you would like to schedule some kind of conference, whether it be Zoom or a phone call or what have you, please feel free to reach out via my email if you want to set something up. You know your child very well as a learner, and we are on a team together to make sure that they're doing their best for all of this. So please do reach out to me. Again, I love back to school. It's usually a nice time to connect. I do want to go through things, though, that are important for this lovely school year, for this course. So welcome to AP Calculus AB. Again, my name is Jennifer Freibush. My email is below there. This is just our syllabus. It's also listed on our classroom, and I will show you that as well. This goes through the course overview from the AP Central website. It is a first semester college calculus course. Goes over the topics. If you're a math person, you'll really enjoy this. If you're not, I'll make you a math person by the end of this, I promise. I put here all the units of topics that we are going to study, and I put the multiple choice weighting that they will hold. The free response changes every year. Multiple choice only changes a percent, so multiple choice is the only thing that we really can kind of gauge ourselves on. Free response, there are things that are released. They're on the AP Classroom, so students have access to previous free response questions. We'll go over some in class that are released that the kids and I can both see how they would approach it if you all have some practice with this. So every month it kind of goes through what subject we're going to be on, and that's our lovely predicted time that we're going to go over those things. Our AP exam is Monday, May 8th at 8 a.m. So we're going to do a 90-10 course. We still get a grade for the course in addition to the AP score that the students receive. 90% is formative or all task assessment, some of which will be reassessable, and 10% is for homework. Again, if it's retakeable, reassessable, there'll be an R after it. It'll be known in class well ahead of actually taking it. And if it doesn't have that, it is not reassessable. Just to keep some things kind of more authentic, like college courses or higher level education will be. Homework is going to be for completion. I give some form of homework every night, even if I do not grade it. And I update grades in Synergy weekly at the very minimum. I would recommend students have a 3-ring binder for the course. We do a lot of notes. We will have a book for the course as well. A calculator is very highly recommended. If your student doesn't have a TI-83, I would highly recommend getting one of those. A TI-84 is good as well. Something higher than that, you don't have to go that crazy. There is a list of those, and there's a live link on the classroom page that students have access to. The first thing I've asked the students to do is to go and join our AP Classroom. There's a plethora of resources on there, videos, extra resources. I'll be using that throughout the year to help with instruction and just reinforcing skills. I went through course expectations with the students. Attendance is obviously vital to success. We talked about makeup work, and we talked about ethical expectations. Asking people for help to explain things is one thing. Copying someone's work is definitely something that we'll have to deal with. Apart from things that are predetermined, most of the things that we're going to be doing will be individual. We are getting them used to maybe looking into higher education courses where you have to sign something that says, I will, this is my authentic work. So I'm trying to establish that environment now so they understand the rigor of this course. So student expectations, we just kind of talked about being positive, prepared, productive, and please ask questions. It's a very good thing if the kids can explain it to each other, that they understand the concept. Class discussion will be something vital to instruction for everybody, and it'll give me feedback along the way. So I really want them to take risks and feel comfortable sharing with each other. The next thing I like to show you guys is our our page, or my MCPS classroom, excuse me. So here's our classroom. I don't have any announcements yet, but I usually have announcements on there, like if the upcoming quiz or assessment will be there. I do have like answer keys, etc. I'm trying something new and putting them in the files. I'll show you that in a moment. This is my virtual math classroom. This takes you right to Blake's website. This is just a little about me slide. Mr. Freibush is my husband, the athletic director here. There's a Desmos link there, so students don't have graphing calculators at home. They can also use the Desmos app. Khan Academy Math is Fun and MCPS supports are there as well. The syllabus is linked there as well. And joining our classroom is really big. As far as that calculator approval list is right there. It'll take you right to the College Board website. I'm going to go to Files here. I'm going to put the keys to the things we do in class in here so students can have access to those as they're doing the worksheets. So I'm going to try that and see if that works and see the best way that we can use this as a resource so it's right in one spot for the students to check. So that is my shtick. If you have any questions, I'm going to go fast, sorry. Please, 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 please feel free to email me at any time. And again, if you want to schedule something that we can actually communicate with each other via phone or a Zoom or even a meeting, we can try and see what works out for both of our schedules. I look forward to working with your students this year, and I hope that they have a fun time in class and learn all this to do wonderfully on that AP exam. Thank you very much. And again, apologies for not being there in person.